In this video, I am about to show you how to easily learn Norwegian in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or go to the Memrise website. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. Your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Norwegian like a local. Memrise teaches you Norwegian vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Norwegian learning. It offers both Norwegian Bokmal and Nynorsk dialects, so select the one you're interested in. You can set a daily goal to practice Norwegian for a specific amount of time to stay consistent and motivated. Start with beginner lessons focusing on essential vocabulary, common phrases, and sentence structure. You can also download the Memrise app on your phone so you can practice Norwegian while on the go. It includes lessons featuring real-life videos with native Norwegian speakers. To boost your learning, try listening to Norwegian podcasts, watching Norwegian TV shows, or reading simple books. While Memrise has a free option, a lot of advanced learning tools and courses are locked behind a premium subscription. Memrise is more effective for learning individual words and short phrases, but it lacks emphasis on real-life conversations and contextual usage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.